If you want to learn a skill that can double your salary, automate your boring daily tasks, or help you build the next big artificial intelligence tool, you're in the right place. Welcome to Ultimate Python Bootcamp. This is Visionary Data Academy, and in this series, I'm going to take you from writing your very first line of code to building real-world applications. Whether you have absolutely zero coding experience or you are coming from a different programming language, this playlist is designed specifically for you. So why Python? Why are we starting here? Simple. It is currently the most popular programming language in the world. It's used by Google, Netflix, NASA, and Spotify. But the main reason beginners love it is readability. Look at this. This is how you print text in a language like C++. And this is how you do it in Python. It's almost like reading plain English. But don't let the simplicity fool you. Python is incredibly powerful. You can use it for web development to build backends for websites. You can use it for data science to analyze trends. And of course, Python is the absolute king of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Here is how this course is structured. I don't believe in boring 10-hour long lectures. I've broken this course down into bite-sized modules. We're going to start with the setup and basics. Then we'll master the logic, how to think like a computer. And finally, we're going to build 7 distinct projects including games, a calculator, and a weather app that pulls live data from the internet. I'm uploading these videos in a specific order, so make sure you save this playlist. One last tip before we begin. The only way to learn coding is to write code. So promise me you won't just watch these videos like a movie. Open your laptop, type along with me, and make mistakes. That is how you learn. If you're ready to start your journey, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next module. In the next video, we are going to install Python and set up our coding environment. Click right here and let's get started.